Welcome back to another video. I tried to go live while I was in Jamaica, but the signal was so weak, image was distorted, so I'm gonna try to recreate it for you guys. So this is my 2.5 car garage that I recently had made. I decided to go with a big garage because my current house where I live only have 1 car garage, and to tell you the truth, I never use it. It's too small. So the window that you're looking at on the left hand side, I am planning on closing that up. The original builders, when they designed the front part, I was not pleased with it. I went away to Kingston, and by the time I got back, I saw it and I did not like it. I'm still struggling to fix the front right now. So I was thinking about putting a double door there or a regular door and a window. Let me know what you guys think. If I should put a double door, no window, or a window and a single door. Let me know. I'm planning on putting a walkway so I could go across and access the roof of the garage. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be closing that window up right there. So this is the first and only bedroom that's downstairs. This bedroom is about 10 by 11. It also has a nice sized closet. This is going to be a closet space right here. This is the one and only full bathroom downstairs. This area is the kitchen, dining room, okay, we're back in the living room, kitchen, dining room. This is the pantry where I'll keep food, washing machine, dryer, stuff like that. What I'm also planning on doing is open this window up into a door so I could access the outside balcony, which I'm going to show you in a second. I recently had this add-on to the house, so the plan is to turn the window into a door so I could bring laundry outside instead of going through the kitchen. Okay, let's go upstairs. I just love that open floor plan. Let me know if you guys like that. This is the master bedroom. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the ceiling yet. What a view. The air is so fresh. This is my little balcony. I love it. It's a little narrow, but got the his and hers closet. That's hers. And this is the his. I'm just joking. I'm not sure what I'm going to do as far as the attic. If I'm going to use the attic or just seal it up or what, I don't know yet. You guys let me know what y'all think. Give me an idea. This is the master bathroom. The shower would be in the left hand corner, and in the right hand corner over here is where the jacuzzi would be. I'm going to have to work hard for that one. And of course the toilet. The face basin is going to be right here. Guys, when I first started to build this house, I didn't have any money. You don't need a lot to accomplish this dream. I started off with no money. I got a couple thousand here and a couple thousand there, and I bought material and used it. You'll be surprised how much you could accomplish over a short amount of time. Don't wait. If you want it, do it. Only thing I'm asking, make sure you follow it all the way through. Because I hate to see house started and trees are growing in it. I just hate to see that. This is where I'm planning on building the walkway to access the roof of the garage. I can't wait to see that. I think that's gonna really bring this area out some more and give me a lot more entertainment space. And guys, if you know anywhere in Jamaica that does step rails and stuff like that, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so this is one of the Jack and Jill bedroom. It also has a closet. Now we're going to move to the bathroom that separates both bedrooms. This is where the sink would be at. And over here is the toilet and the shower. I originally built a Jack and Jill bedroom for my two kids. Unfortunately, both of them are grown now, so the Jack and Jill won't work for them. I guess whenever I have grandkids, they can benefit from it. And this is the second bedroom, technically the fourth bedroom. Okay, we have some closet space over here. Could never have enough closet space. Now we're moving on to the fifth bedroom, which is the last one. It has a decent sized closet and it also has its own bathroom. The bathroom won't be an issue in this house. It also have a huge balcony. This is the only room that has a slab top on it. There's plenty of outlet. I want to thank you guys for watching, commenting, and supporting me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys motivate me. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. It helps my channel grow. Thanks and bye.